Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, August 27th. Big bounce, that's a comeback, folks. Markets were up 4% and more, even the S&P adding 65 points at 1938. Dow futures adding 530 points, 16,249 was the close. And the big winner of the day, the Nasdaq turnaround, up 5% on the session, 4214 and a half, up 186. This action gave the dollar some support, up 59 points yesterday, back above 95, 95.13, knocking that euro currency down some, down 77 at 113.52. Bonds saw some major unwinding as well. 156.01 was a close, which was down 1 and 22. So we've had bond prices go down and yields have bounced back up some. Crude oil going nowhere, down 70 cents yesterday at 38.60, still below $40 a barrel. The low of the session was 38.50, but did not make new relative lows. Also on the unwind was gold. Gold was down $14, 11.25, as some of the grave concerns come out of the markets here in the short term. So after the huge bounce back yesterday, the biggest move that we've seen in the markets in a long time, where do we stand here on this Thursday morning? Well, we're getting some positive follow through. The E-mini S&P right now is up 16 at 1954. Dow futures are up 150 right now, 16,400. And the Nasdaq leading the way up 45 points at 42.59 and a half, actually going positive year to date and healthy positive as far as the last 52 weeks go, up about 5%. The dollar index up 27 at 95.40, building on the gains. Euro currency back below 113, 112.96. Bonds are steady right now on their own, 156 level. The yields, like I said, have bounced. We're at 2.90 in the 30-year and has now moved up. We were below 2% earlier this week, 2.16. So a healthy rally in yield on that 10-year note. Crude oil, surprise, back above 40, up $1.55, even with the dollar strengthening. 40.15 is where it stands right now. So it'll be important to see how 40 acts as a weekly pivot basis after making new relative lows, new 6-year lows here this week. Lastly, gold's going nowhere, 11.26, up $1. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're getting a big bounce again this morning after the record rally, up 16 in the S&P, up 150 in the Dow futures, up 45 in the Nasdaq 100 futures. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.